Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we will read about the revision topic of your lesson number 1. So now let's start with the chapter. In exercise A, we have to fill in the blanks with an appropriate verb. The first one is bread and butter are my favorite breakfast. A traffic police stands at traffic intersection and regulates the movement of vehicles. Ramu is one of them who comes here to teach the poor children. The captain as well as the crew member is going for the mission. And fifth one is one of my friend is. Then sixth one is time and tide waits for none. Either Shekhar or his friends are to be punished. None is allowed to do this. The producer and director is dead. And economics is not a difficult subject. Exercise B, fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. My father is at home at this time. Then Nandu comes on foot, goes by bus. Why are you angry with, or you can say with him or at him? Then birds perched above, above, above the roof of the house. We should abide by the rules of traffic. I chased 2 kilometers on a stretch. The whole country dried up due to drought. And why are you hovering over me? Naman met with an accident yesterday. And 10th one is John is standing at the doorstep. Now exercise C. Ricky is an appropriate adjective. Ricky is a wicked, V-I-C-K-E-D, wicked person. Then the intelligent child with a great, G-R-E-A, great award for his intelligence. Okay, now the third one is Mr. Mahesh is our gentle neighbor. Fourth, a black car. Fifth, the old man is very active. Then a little learning, L-I-T-T-L-E, little learning is dangerous thing. Then seventh one is climbing mountains is a tedious, T-E-D-I-O-U-S, tedious journey. I wrote a long poem. And gentle girls are quite sincere. And Ricky was chased by many mad dogs. And it's an article and put cross where articles is not necessary. First one, once A liar, always a liar. Rome was not built in a day. I read cross. No article is required here. Fourth one, a little learning is a dangerous thing. We watched and extremely then cross. Kartik father is an S. It's a S A is coming, so SHO. Seventh one is they came cross early, but after a long wait they left an R. H is silent here. And then what is the price of the wheat per kilo? Then the Brahmaputra, it's a name to the Brahmaputra is the longest river in India. Fifth, the higher we go, the cooler we feel. Now we have to fill the blanks with conjunction. First, Veena brought food and vegetables. Jyoti had gone to school because her father asked her. Then Ronak and his 5 friends are going to trip. Pandu and Sahil are best friend. Don't touch your knife or it may hurt you, or it can write otherwise it may hurt you. Now it's a tenses. First, last year we visited. Last year, so it's a past tense now. Visited. The whole scenario looked very new for us. We mixed up with the village people. They were very. Now your second one, Jackie is our pet dog. When it was bring home, my ecstasy brought no limit. Initially I knew not friendly with it, but now it has become my constant playmate. I love. Okay, now third one, my result will be declared today. I am feeling very nervous like other students. A student is also nervous, though I have attempted all the questions. Fourth one of my cousins are arriving today. I am very excited to see him because he had gone to school together and had played various games. Fifth one, we will be living in the US for the next 2 years for the further studies. So that's all for today's session. We will meet our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.